Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find or locate your Instagram account's creation date. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Select the little hamburger icon now in the top right. And where it says how you use Instagram, select where it says your activity. And then scroll down underneath where it says how you use Instagram, select account history. Where it says newest to oldest, click the drop down and then select oldest to newest, and then it will actually tell you what the creation date of your account was because that'll be the oldest piece of activity that'll be listed here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.